Today's video. This is Q32 to Penn Station. A fare is required to ride. This stop is 82nd Street and Northern Boulevard. Next stop, 82nd Street and 34th Avenue. This stop is 82nd Street and 34th Avenue. Next stop, 82nd Street and 35th Avenue. Transfer available to Q49. This stop is 82nd Street and 35th Avenue. Next stop, 82nd Street and 37th Avenue. This stop is 82nd Street and 37th Avenue. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 82nd Street. Transfers available to the 7 train and Q29. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 82nd Street. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 78th Street. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 78th Street. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 74th Street. Transfers available to the 7, E, F, M and R trains, Q33, Q47, Q49, Q53 SBS and Q70 SBS. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 74th Street. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 69th Street. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 69th Street. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 64th Street. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 64th Street. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 61st Street. Transfers available to the 7 train, Long Island Railroad, Q53 SBS and Q70 SBS. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 61st Street. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 58th Street. Transfer available to Q18. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 58th Street. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and Skillman Avenue. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and Skillman Avenue. Next stop, Roosevelt Avenue and 52nd Street. This stop is Roosevelt Avenue and 52nd Street. Next stop, Queens Boulevard and 48th Street. Transfers available to the 7 train, B24, Q60 and Q104. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Queens Boulevard and 48th Street. Next stop, Queens Boulevard and 45th Street. This stop is Queens Boulevard and 45th Street. Next stop, Queens Boulevard and 41st Street. Transfer available to the 7 train. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Queens Boulevard and 41st Street. Next stop, Queens Boulevard and 39th Place. This stop is Queens Boulevard and 39th Place. Next stop, Queens Boulevard and 35th Street. This stop is Queens Boulevard and 35th Street. Next stop, Queens Boulevard and Skillman Avenue. Transfer available to Q39. This stop is Queens Boulevard and Skillman Avenue. Next stop, Queens Boulevard and Queens Plaza East. Transfers available to the 7, E, M, N, R and W trains, Q39, Q63, Q69, Q100 Limited, Q101 and Q102. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is Queens Boulevard and Queens Plaza East. Next stop, East 60th Street and 2nd Avenue. Transfers available to Roosevelt Island Tram, M15, M15 SBS, M31 and M57. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is East 60th Street and 2nd Avenue. Next stop, East 60th Street and Lexington Avenue. Transfers available to the 4, 5, 6, N, Q, R and W trains, M101 Limited, M102, M103, BXM1, QM2, QM3 and QM20. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is East 60th Street and Lexington Avenue. Next stop, East 60th Street and Madison Avenue. Transfers available to M1, M2 Limited, M3, M4, BXM6, BXM7, BXM9, BXM10, SIM23 and SIM24. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is East 60th Street and Madison Avenue. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 58th Street. Transfers available to the N, R and W trains, M1, M1 Limited, M2 Limited, M3, M4, M4 Limited, M5, M5 Limited, M31, M57, BM1, BM2, BM3, BM4, BM5, BXM3, BXM4, BXM6, BXM7, BXM8, BXM9, BXM10, BXM18, QM1, QM5, QM6, QM10, QM12, QM15, QM16, QM17, QM18, QM24, SIM6, SIM8, SIM11, SIM22, SIM25, Sim 31, X27, X28, X37 and X38. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 58th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 52nd Street. Transfers available to the E&M trains. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 52nd Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 47th Street. Transfer available to M50. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 47th Street. Next stop, 5th Avenue and West 41st Street. Transfers available to the 4, 5, 6, 7, B, D, F, M and S trains. Long Island Railroad, Metro North, M42, M55, BM1, BM2, BM3, BM4, BM5, Sim 10, Sim 11, Sim 26, Sim 33C, X27, X28, X37 and X38. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is 5th Avenue and West 41st Street. Next stop, West 37th Street and 5th Avenue. This stop is West 37th Street and 5th Avenue. Next stop, West 37th Street and Broadway. Transfers available to the B, D, F, M, N, Q, R and W trains. Path, M5, M7, M55, BXM2, BXM6, BXM7, BXM8, BXM9, BXM10, BXM11, BXM18, QM1, QM2, QM4, QM5, QM6, QM10, QM12, QM15, QM16, QM17, QM18 and QM24. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is West 37th Street and Broadway. Next stop, 7th Avenue and West 36th Street. Transfers available to M7 and M20. This stop is 7th Avenue and West 36th Street. Next stop, West 32nd Street and 7th Avenue. Transfers available to the 1, 2, 3, A, C and D trains. Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, Amtrak, M34 SBS, M34A SBS, Sim 23 and Sim 24. Please exit through the rear door. This stop is West 32nd Street and 7th Avenue. This is Q32 to Penn Station. A fare is required to ride.